I got involved in human error investigations about 10 years ago. They have over 50 years of doing investigations, but focusing primarily on human error for about 10 years. We found in working with suppliers and working internally, the standard response was when a mistake happened, it was a person's fault, retrain them, discipline, and move on. But the problems really weren't going away. So I decided it was time to focus and understand why people make mistakes. Focus in on how people learn, how people work in the workplace itself. And this started to get me focusing in on some of the key errors of why people make mistakes. The whole focus of this particular course is that when people make mistakes, it is generally not the person's sole responsibility. The father of American quality movement, Dr. Deming, stated many, many years ago that about 94% of the problems in industry are associated with the systems, and that's a responsibility of management. About 6% is focusing in on special cause, which is where the people come into play. So we have to go in and say, if somebody does make a mistake, is it because they wanted to make a mistake or because the system allowed them to make a mistake? We've had some very recent examples in the news. We had a situation in Hawaii not too long ago where a major event happened, a message went out saying that we were under nuclear attack. The standard response was it was the operator's fault, retrain him, fire him, and in fact it was a systems issue. He was set up, it was very easy for him to make a mistake, and we're not surprised at all that he did make a mistake.